The METALCLOAK heavy-duty steering system for the JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator is the best of our steering components all in one package. If you've changed your Jeep with larger tires or lifted it, you've added extra stresses to the steering components. Additional stresses the factory components were never truly designed to handle. When you upgrade your Jeep, make sure to get steering components that go above and beyond the original stock parts. Hi, I'm Scott Becker with METALCLOAK, here to talk to you about METALCLOAK's heavy-duty steering systems for the Jeep JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator. METALCLOAK's heavy-duty steering system is built strong to handle the extra stresses of a modified Jeep while also improving steering control that will provide a smoother and more responsive ride. Our extensive kit provides everything you need to upgrade your steering. Upgrade your tie rod, drag link, steering stabilizer, and stabilizer brackets. Our heavy-duty chromoly dogleg tie rod is made with 1 5/8 seamless chromoly tubing, which provides incredible durability. And both ends are equipped with METALCLOAK'S 1-ton anti-flop dogleg rod ends, which are designed with a special curve that allows fitment for aftermarket or factory wheels. The ends are built to last. We forge the metal into oversized 1-inch threaded 1-ton ends and then heat treat them for even more strength. The anti-flop rod ends provide full side-to-side range of motion for bind-free steering and also feature limited front-to-back movement, which virtually eliminates the dreaded tie rod flop. Our heavy-duty drag link, like the tie rod, is made strong from 1 3/8 OD DOM steel and is double adjustable, allowing the length to be changed while installed on the vehicle for fast and easy adjustments. Both ends of the heavy-duty drag link are equipped with our METALCLOAK anti-flop rod ends that feature a wide range of side-to-side movement with limited front-to-back movement. Our specially designed heavy-duty drag link helps control directional misalignment while reducing drag link flop. To round out the package is the RockSport Steering Stabilizer that reduces sudden steering wheel feedback that can be amplified after adding a suspension lift and larger tires. It really dampens and smooths out unwanted steering wheel feedback. The damper features an oversized body with a much stiffer valving that provides better control of unwanted feedback. The oversized 16mm chrome shaft prevents the stabilizer from bending under extreme off-road use, and double-welded bushing eyes with rubber bushings add extra strength and vibration dampening. The RockSport Steering Stabilizer outperforms the stock stabilizer in compression, dampening, and overall performance. The system comes complete with an easy-to-install axle side mount that relocates the steering stabilizer and moves it up and out of harm's way. The mount works in conjunction with the bolt-on tie rod mount. Both brackets are CAD-designed and made strong with 3/16 hot-rolled steel and use the existing factory holes for an easy bolt-on installation. Choose either the standard steel stabilizer tie rod mount or the billet mount. Either choice is simple to install and allows you to position the stabilizer for maximum performance. The standard mount is made of 3/16 steel and is plated in gold zinc, while the aluminum billet clamp is finished in an anodized black with a laser engraved M around the recessed bolt holes for a clean and custom look. The METALCLOAK heavy-duty steering kit is treated with our signature gold zinc chromate for a durable finish, and with our detailed instructions, you can have your steering system installed in no time. Best of all, the METALCLOAK heavy-duty steering system is made right here in the USA. So if you're ready for a smoother ride, better steering performance, and more strength in your Jeep's critical components, look no further than METALCLOAK's heavy-duty steering kit for the JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator, exclusively from METALCLOAK. METALCLOAK, it's your Jeep, only better.